Hello there. Don't you know it's time for trending now? Let's go. But wait. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, please. Okay, getting right into Motivation Mondays. India's very own Lakshya Sen was the first ever man to qualify in the category of men's singles badminton. He was great at putting up a fight in the semi-finals against Danish champion, world second best, mind you, Viktor Axelsen. But unfortunately, we did not qualify through to the finals. But you know what? Look at these shots. The back shot, the double save shot. Oh my God, 2028 LA Olympics, India is coming for the gold. Well, it was also great to watch Team India in the hockey category, but you can watch all of the updates on the official Olympics website. It is absolutely fun to watch such amazing athletes put up a great show during the World Olympics 2024 that's happening in Paris. Okay, moving on. Okay, just a side note. Don't you think the athletes are kind of, because like their hair accessories and they've got nails and they've got piercings and that kind of, Okay. Moving on to the second news, Adele faced some backlash for her performance in Germany while she was doing a live concert. The Korean fans weren't quite elated because she used this graphic of a rising sun in the back of her performance. And because you already know Japan's relationship with Korea, with the rising flag and all of the controversies surrounding that, well, the Korean fans weren't too happy about it. Good thing she's not going back to music, as she said. Well, is it even trending now without some Tere tea? No, sir, it's not. Okay, she hasn't been a girlies girl. I'll fill you up on it. But you be a girlies girl and like, share, comment, subscribe, yo. To keep you up to date, Taylor Swift was foreshadowing two specific artists' launches, album releases. One, Billy's Hit Me Hard and Soft, and two, Charli XCX's Brat. And you know what she did? She literally released versions of her tracks from Torture Poets Department. I mean, be original. But that did not stop from the girlies to link up. You know what they say? Your enemy's enemy is your bestie. That's kind of toxic. But they linked up, Charli XCX and Billy. And guess what they did? Yes. Yeah, that's the track's name, okay? It was released on Charli XCX's birthday. An amazing music video. And just look at some of the lyrics. It's kind of sus against Taylor Swift because, of the foreshadowing and all of that. But do you think this stopped Taylor Swift? No, sir, it did not. She released a memo from one of the tracks. A memo, man. Oh my God, the level of pettiness. Okay, thank you for all your hate, Swifties. I'm going to go now. And the only thing I would like to recommend is this electronic pop banger of a track by Charli XCX featuring Billie, the goddess Eilish. It's called Guess. And hey, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you tomorrow.
94.3 Radio 1.